Neuroeconomics is an interdisciplinary field that combines principles from neuroscience, economics, and psychology to study how individuals make economic decisions and the neural mechanisms underlying these decisions. It seeks to understand the neural processes and brain structures involved in economic behaviors, such as risk-taking, decision-making, valuation, and social interactions. The field of neuroeconomics emerged from the recognition that economic decisions are not purely rational but are influenced by a range of cognitive and emotional factors. By integrating insights from neuroscience, researchers aim to uncover the biological underpinnings of economic behavior, providing a more comprehensive understanding of why people make the choices they do. Neuroeconomics utilizes a variety of research techniques, including neuroimaging, such as functional magnetic resonance imaging or fMRI, electroencephalography, EEG, and behavioral experiments. These methods allow researchers to investigate brain activity and patterns while individuals engage in economic tasks or make decisions related to various economic scenarios. The findings from neuroeconomics studies have implications for various fields, including economics, psychology, marketing, public policy, and finance. By shedding light on the neural mechanisms behind economic decision-making, neuroeconomics aims to provide insights into how individuals and societies can make more informed and efficient choices, and how decision-making processes can be influenced or optimized.